There he is, ladies and gentlemen, Billy Edwards. You come out here, Billy. Man, I tell you what, this guy, come out, Billy, come on out here. You tough as a $2 steak, I tell you what. Are you all right? All right. I won't give you a bear hug because I think you've had enough beating up. Ladies and gentlemen, Billy Edwards is back on the course. Look at that. Man, oh man.
Marco, you're beating an 90-year-old, buddy. Nice ball.
Hey, Billy, get away from the tower, man.
Oh, maybe you don't. If you put the thing back in, you don't get the penalty. No. Okay. I thought Steve you did.
Come on, buddy.
Go yell at him.
Hard, Marco! Come on, buddy, hit it hard!
Get it behind
hard.
you! That's it, Marco!
Come on!
Nice! Hard!
Nice hit! Nice hit!
That's it, Marco!
Oh,
quick!
Run.
Quick! Quick!
Run!
Go, Marco! Run! You must be thinking, you run. You run.
Marco Carducci on blue. Jay Fields on red.
Tell him to pick it up.
Go, buddy, run to
Up
it.
and go, Marco! Pick it up and go!
Good pick up!
Nice! Yep.
Yeah, buddy! Go! Go!
Look at him run.
Good, right? Go, what's
Penalty out there on red. Hammer placement. The hammer must land on the Zodiac mat.
Go,
Marco!